Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a beef stroganoff. So I've got our egg noodles here, pot of boiling salted water with a touch of olive oil. Going in with our pasta, let it cook. And we're going to brown our meat for our stroganoff. So we've got just a little bit of oil. We go in the pan. We can let that brown. We're going to brown this meat and then set it aside. We really don't want to cook it all the way through. We just really want to cook it part of the way. And then we'll go in with our onions, our garlic, our mushrooms. We've got some beef broth, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of flour as a thickener. I'll finish it with sour cream, give it that nice creaminess you're used to in a stroganoff. Pair it with our noodles and call it dinner. Again, it's going to be okay if you don't have this cooked all the way through because it is going to get added back in just a few minutes, so I'm just trying to brown it slightly. Alright, this is mainly browned, so I'm going to set this aside. Like I said, it's okay if there's a little bit of rareness still to it, because it is going to go back on the heat. Okay, we're going to go in with our onions now. Heat up. Sweat those until they're just translucent. Hit them with a little bit of salt. Go for a couple more minutes. Hit it with our garlic. Get in with our mushrooms. Give this a couple of cracks of black pepper. Okay, our pasta is where we need it. Drain it. Okay, so we've added our flour. Letting it coat the vegetables. Now we're going to hit it with our beef broth, our Worcestershire sauce. We're going to bring the heat up. Bring this mixture to a nice simmer to let it thicken. Then we're going to add our meat back in. Actually, we can go ahead and add our meat back to the pan. And we will finish this with sour cream. Just a few minutes. So you want to let your beef finish cooking through, and by that time, you can add your sour cream. Then we'll combine the noodles. And we'll be just about done. Alright, we've let that reduce a little bit. We're going in with our noodles to finish. And this calls for about a 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, which is about what we've got right here. That'll give you that nice creaminess, and we're using a light sour cream, So you get the illusion of a heavy dish because you've got the earthy flavors of the beef and the mushrooms, the Worcestershire sauce, but then you've got the light sour cream. Actually makes for a healthy version of a very classically rich and flavorful dish. Toss a little bit of fresh chopped parsley in here at the end. Lightly fold this together. And then you have beef stroganoff. So we're going to plate this up and we'll show you what it looks like in just a couple of minutes.